Oh hey! Niit'á, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I got pulled over. To say that in Navajo, you say, Shikéé Niit'á. Shikéé Niit'á. I got pulled over. Shikéé means behind me. Niit'á means something big was placed. But what this literally means is a policeman got behind me. The word niit'á is past tense, and you only use it for law enforcement. You can't say my friend pulled me over, the ambulance pulled me over. It's only for police. To say I got pulled over on the way to work, you would say Nashnishko shilolwusko. Shikéé Niit'á. Nashnishko shilolwusko. Shikéé Niit'á. Now, Shikéé Niit'á is the future tense. To say slow down or else you'll get pulled over, you'd say T'á jo'ogo nil'olwuth. Shikéé Niit'á. T'á jo'ogo nil'olwuth. Shikéé Niit'á. Now, a slang way to say this is Shikéé Niit'á. Shikéé Niit'á. Niit'á means something is dragging behind me. To say I got pulled over on the way back home, you would say Huango shilna'olwuthko. Shikéé Niit'á. Huango shilna'olwuthko. Shikéé Niit'á. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Shikéé Niit'á or Shikéé Niit'á. I got pulled over. Have a nice day.